What's up, guys? I'm back. I know it's been a really long time. First of all, I want to thank all the new subscribers I got. You guys chose to subscribe whenever I wasn't even posting, so I thank you and I welcome you for that. So right now, today, I'm gonna be heading to this spot, and I'm gonna kind of walk you around the car and show you what's going on with it right now, and kind of what's coming for it in the future. Also, we got some new cars that I'm sure you guys are gonna be excited about coming to the channel. I know I did some reviews on some things in the past. One of them's a Z. Actually, two of them are Z's, but one of them might not be the Z that you're expecting. And yeah, so we're gonna head to that spot.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.
Alright guys, so the spot that I just was gonna go to, they ended up having people in the parking lot. So yeah, the parking lot was filled up. So we're back at the house. So basically what I want to kind of show you what's going on with the car is this happened a while back. This right there. Hopefully you can see that well. So yeah, that happened a while back, and I'll kind of explain what went on there in a later video, but I have something coming in store for the car to fix that, and I'll also let that be a surprise for a later video. And I kind of want to talk about the two new cars that we have for the channel. And Luke, if you remember, we did the Silverado video. He has the Buick, he has a Z car, but it's not a 350, 370, 300. It's a IROC Z, so it's a 3rd gen Camaro. Also, we have another Nissan Z on the channel now, and that's 350Z. It's 2003 and silver. It's got wheels. It might be lowered, I'm not really sure yet. And I'll introduce you to the owner of that one, and we'll get that car on the channel also. But yeah, so I know today's video was kind of short. I just kind of wanted to introduce myself back to the channel, welcome to new followers, and let you guys know that we're gonna get this show back in a row. I'll catch you guys in the next one.